Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of being slow on the application of Slack. If we click on settings, here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Slack and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or can delete your account. In the end you can go to Play Store, you can search about Slack and you can update your app if you will find updates here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.